To disable Game Booster on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, first let's open a settings on our phone and then look for the notifications. When we enter it, we need to go for app notifications and here click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Select show system apps and then you should be able to find the Game Booster around here. So for me, it's right there. Now we can click on it. Then all you have to do is click on the Game Booster again. And then now we need to disable any notifications just to be sure. Permissions also should be set to basically nothing. And then the appear on top should be disabled. Change system settings. Do not allow this permission, and finally last thing is to force stop the app, which will stop the Game Booster, and technically right now it's disabled. So that is basically everything.